Home Remedies presents
Carom seeds, Ajwain, a natural remedy to relieve arthritic pain. Are you suffering from excruciating pain due to arthritis? Try carom seeds for effective relief. Carom seeds act as a painkiller for soothing, calming, and comforting pain. It is very effective in relieving pain in joints and muscles. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent natural pain reliever for conditions like gout, rheumatic pain, and arthritis, as well as sciatica and sports injuries. Carom seeds oil helps to reduce swelling and pain. If you are suffering from arthritic pain or swelling, use carom seeds to get rid of it naturally. Are you liking the video? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. How to prepare carom seeds oil. Ingredients: carom seeds 2 tablespoons, mustard oil 200 ml. Preparation: to prepare its oil, boil 200 ml of mustard oil with 2 tablespoons of carom seeds thoroughly. Once cool, strain it to remove the seeds and store into a jar. Now massage your joints with this oil, lukewarm, 2 to 3 times in a day. Alternatively, you can crush some carom seeds and apply the paste on the affected area to reduce inflammation and pain.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.